back to another video. Today, I will be ghost hunting for pogo19. And we're going to be doing it with Zim76. Okay, let's get in. Come on. Everyone get down. Plah! Plah!
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Take this stuff.
I got one. Wait, why do we need all this stuff?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Remember, dude?
Okay, yeah. Why do we need all this? Are we going mining?
Huh?
Are we going mining? This
Okay,
explains a
let's go.
lot.
Are we going mining? No. We're going caves.
Okay.
I don't have
Over
a
here.
here.
Leon, drop your camera and go to caves real quick and bring it back in like 5 seconds.
Wait, what? Hold on, wait for me.
Let's go. Guys, all I have is a backpack.
Let's go.
And I don't have a flashlight.
Let's go.
Yo. Watch out for that
I have to fart really bad.
Hey, nuts.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are we in the cave
Okay.
for?
I repeat.
I just
If you get
farted
a
really
stick,
bad.
let me know. Aww. Pizza Don't you dare.
Guys, look at this!
I just
No.
did it. Elby.
Come here.
La boo boo number
Oh.
1.
What happened to my pickaxe?
Oh, a grenade!
Like
What
the shotgun.
happened to my pickaxe?
Help me!
I died too!
Where are you?
I'm over there. Where's my grappler? I don't have a grappler. Please, Speed, I need this. I am pretty grapplerless.
Guys, my pickaxe is gone.
Guys, let's go.
Why did it
Frick.
look like that?
Bro, wait, go over there. Come here.
It looks like a meatball. It looks like a meatball.
Help me.
That was my last one.
Where's the camera?
Get up. Oh, I have it.
Get out.
I'm coming.
Ah,
I have a bat just for extra safety.
I can't get in.
I have a bat just for extra safety because bats are super OP.
Actually, I
Wait, hold
bought
on,
one,
guys,
but
wait, I'm gonna
one
open a
sec.
crate. Never mind,
there's
there's
a
no
spider
crates,
in here.
wait.
Guys, come on.
Okay, let's go.
I repeat. A pogo stick. Wait,
Where'd you
we need
guys
to collect
go?
some samples.
Luckily, I brought a
Somewhere.
bat.
No, I can't see anything.
Wait, what's my battery at?
Flashlight.
Where are you guys? I can't see anything. Oh, I'm gonna need that.
Guys, where's the spider?
5%! I repeat, my headset's at 5%!
Oh, you're cooked. You're literally so cooked.
Whoa,
I don't
never knew
think this
was
map
here.
has anything. We have.
Yeah.
Next map's gonna be sewers.
Okay?
Where are we at?
I just heard a pogo stick. Go back. I heard a pogo stick. I heard a pogo stick. Let's go back anyways. Dude, guys, I heard a pogo stick right before
I
we
just
left.
hit my thumb so hard. Oh my god. I just hit my thumb
What is
so
the pogo stick
hard.
for?
Oh my god. Dear, I just hit my thumb so hard.
Okay.
I'm back.
Guys, sewers we
Oh my
go.
God.
Sewers we go.
Okay, I am not going in there.
Ow. Ow.
Yo, wait for me. Oh,
Below and beyond. Can you
Guys,
stop
guys,
leaving me?
Guys, the lady's here.
Which lady?
The lady. Toasty's
Bro literally just said lunch lady.
I said what lady? No, lunch lady. What?
Lunch lady.
lunch lady. Oh, bruh.
Lunch lady.
How am I supposed to get through this?
Bro, this is easy.
I can't see, guys.
Lady.
Oh no, I'm going.
Oh, snap!
Guys, help me, please.
Okay.
Well, I just got 2 research points.
Oh.
Ow.
Come here, little Timmy! Is there anything else? Because I'm scared.
Oh, no. My shotgun.
Woo!
Peekaboo.
I'm scared!
Mo just said,
Meow! Give me them, give me them. Would you guys
Guys,
go?
at least give me some, bro. Oh, hook shot. Perfectly timed.
Come on, let's go!
Guys, the monster's hacking. It's shut down there, but I was up. There must be blind.
Everybody.
Jesus mods.
Alright. Why am I? Oh, let's go.
Well, why does he keep hitting?
Yo. Anybody in here? I can't see.
Why y'all leave us? I don't hate y'all.
Ah!
Where do we go?
Woohoo! We did it.
No, I'm gonna die. Oh, never mind. Oh, I survived. The walls hit
One
the
second
ground, survived.
for
Sing
Happy.
whoever here.
Yo! Why do they make the walls not grabbable by the
Wait,
grab?
what's your YouTube channel?
I'm
My headset's about to die.
What is it again? It's W4X. Say it on the wall.
You could. You
And I died!
Whoa!
When you're using it,
Guys, I need you to get me.
on the watch.
Hold on.
Hold me up, guys.
What's your YouTube channel again? Say louder.
Hold on, I need my pickaxe.
Guys, where's my camera?
Bro, say what your YouTube channel is on the
Oh,
watch.
look, the camera's up there! The camera's up there!
Up where?
Right here! The flashlight! Do the flashlight! Do the It's up here!
Guys, quit exploring stuff.
Did you see it? Did you get the flashlight?
Yo, we made it to foundation.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's W4X.
Okay. There have been numbers? No.
I only have I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 subscribers, maybe. I don't
Guys,
know.
we're in foundation.
Guys, just skip all of this. We're not here for mining.
Zero gravity.
Guys, we're not here for mining. Come on.
We're not here to mine?
Yeah.
Why did he keep dying? Come down here.
Why you do that? Why you do that? Save me, please. Yay, I'm alive.
Wait!
I'm an idiot.
Wait, what
Dad,
happened?
call me an idiot.
What is this?
Guys, I'm the worst player in the game.
Did you guys all die? Come here!
Not all of us. I need to revive you.
Come here! Try to come here!
I'm coming.
Oh my gosh.
Oh frick.
Eat it up.
Oh, frick.
Eat it up. Eat
It's hard.
it up. Eat it.
Where'd everybody go?
Ah.
About to be
No, no.
humongous.
Oh, bro.
Looking like big chungus. How are you alive right now? Kids build different. Okay, guys, wait. Why didn't you wait for me? That's why you're screaming. Where are you?
Wait.
Okay, Capo.
I made it in time.
What do we do now?
Who are you? I really don't know where else to check. One time, like, I saw, like, a trampoline, stage 5. Then I saw an RPG explode in stage 5. Like, right in the middle. Like, one time, I was listening. I checked the server, it was just me and my friends. Like, it was horrifying.
Okay.
So that will be the end of this video. Goodbye. Make sure to like and
Wait, what's the
subscribe.
YouTube channel? What's the YouTube channel?